if you're honest, and you're like most of us, you will admit that you don't love to clean. In fact, you may hate to clean. My husband, God bless him, he loves to clean. Me, not so much. You are gonna wanna get to know this lady right here. Our next guest is a cleaning expert whose book, website, and online videos have helped millions clean. And she's gonna give us her top cleaning tips. She's the author of Clean My Space. Her name is Melissa Maker, but this is what I love about her best. Melissa doesn't do this because she loves to clean. She does this because she hates to clean. I mean, that's the sales pitch. So how did you come into this being your specialty in your profession if it's something you truly hate to do?
Okay, so good question. I saw an opportunity because I hated doing it. I knew other people hated doing it, so I thought there's got to be something here. So I started a cleaning company in 2006 in Toronto, where I'm from.
Right.
And then in 2011, we started making YouTube videos. Those started to help people. A lot of people were like, yeah, I hate cleaning too, help me. So that's what happened.
It's brilliant anti-marketing, if you think about it.
It's honest marketing. Ironing is another thing that we can say people struggle with in the cleaning world.
Ironing is literally, I'm the only one that will do that in my house, and I hate it because I'm one of those nutty people that irons their sheets.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so you are gonna love this because that is a lot of work. So tear that off.
Okay.
A great way to speed up your ironing is to actually lift off the cover and wrap the board in tin foil.
Really smart. Double reflects the heat.
That's right. It reflects the heat. So Rachel, I'm gonna need some help getting this on because it's a little bit on the tough side.
I got it.
So hopefully you guys at home have an assistant who can help you.
There you go.
And then when you are ironing, a great tip is you actually want to take the shirt out of the dryer. I'll get to this sleeve in a sec, but you want to take the shirt out of the dryer or garment, whatever it is, when it's still a little bit damp.
Hair damp, right.
That's right. So
it really helps with sheets and pillowcases if you're crazy like me too.
So
it does. The wrinkles come right out in 2 seconds.
That's right. So instead of spraying it, you don't have to waste your time. Now you're going to notice
iron it when it's still damp and it works better.
Exactly. So,
this is brilliant.
All right, so if you don't want that crispy little line in your sleeve.
That weird line down the sides of your sleeves?
Some people, it might be a fashion statement, but for me it's not. So you get yourself a rolled up towel like this. Isn't that cool? And you stick it in the sleeve. And then we have an iron over there.
And then when you iron it, you don't get that kooky wrinkle.
Yeah, so you can kind of do a little roll and iron.
Do a roll and twisting.
Over here. A little roll and iron.
Uh-huh.
Right?
There you go.